Today, we're exploring a truly exciting release in the world of portable videography, the DJI Osmo Pocket 4, a major upgrade that's making waves in the compact camera scene. If you've been on the fence about upgrading from the Osmo Pocket 3 or jumping into the DJI ecosystem for the first time, you're going to want to stick around for this deep dive. Let's be honest, when DJI launches a new product, expectations are sky high. With their legacy of game-changing drones, handheld gimbals, and action cameras, every release sparks curiosity and anticipation. But does the Osmo Pocket 4 live up to the hype? Is it truly a revolutionary leap forward for vloggers, filmmakers, and creators, or just a minor refresh wrapped in a sleeker shell? We'll be breaking down everything you need to know, from video quality and stabilization to low-light performance, battery life, and all the subtle features that elevate your content creation game. Whether you're an experienced content creator or a beginner vlogger looking for a reliable pocket-sized 4K camera, this review will help you make the right choice. One of the first things you'll notice about the Osmo Pocket 4 is how compact and stylish it feels. DJI has gone all in on making this device ultra-portable without sacrificing durability. The redesigned body is sleeker, more ergonomic, and now features a premium aluminum alloy finish that not only looks great but also feels durable and solid in your hand. The device is even more pocketable than its predecessor, the Pocket 3, and comfortably fits in your palm, bag, or jacket pocket. That makes it ideal for vloggers on the go, travel creators, or anyone who values portability without compromising quality. In addition, DJI added a water-resistant coating, giving users more confidence when shooting in unpredictable environments. Perfect for travel, lifestyle, or outdoor adventure vloggers, DJI knows that accessibility is key, and that's exactly what they've prioritized here. The touchscreen interface on the Osmo Pocket 4 is super responsive, featuring a streamlined UI that's intuitive for both beginners and professionals. The menu navigation is fluid, letting you quickly adjust shooting modes, frame rates, and resolution. Physical buttons on the device have been placed with precision, allowing one-handed operation and quick switching between camera modes. This makes it ideal for vlogging setups or fast action shooting where you don't want to fiddle around with settings. And with the DJI Mimo app, users can access tutorials, camera guides, and even advanced editing tools. It's a full creative suite in your pocket, perfect for creators who want to shoot, edit, and post on the fly. Stabilization. Cinematic smoothness at your fingertips. Stabilization has always been a standout feature in DJI's Pocket series, and the Pocket 4 takes it to new heights. Equipped with a 3-axis mechanical gimbal, this tiny camera produces incredibly smooth, shake-free footage no matter how you move. Whether you're capturing handheld shots while walking, running, through a market, or filming an action-packed scene, the footage remains buttery smooth. No need for post-stabilization in editing software. DJI has also enhanced the sport mode, which now delivers faster gimbal response and more dynamic subject tracking, making it a great tool for shooting sports, pets, or fast-moving scenes. If you're upgrading from the Osmo Pocket 3 or a smartphone, gimbal, you'll immediately notice the leap in gimbal stabilization performance here. Camera specs. Flagship performance in a pocket-sized device. The real star of the show is the camera performance. The DJI Osmo Pocket 4 features a new 1-inch CMOS sensor, offering a massive leap in image quality compared to smaller sensors found in typical action cameras or smartphones. You can now shoot 4K video at up to 120 frames per second, opening the door to silky smooth slow-motion shots. And thanks to the upgraded HDR mode, colors are more vibrant, shadows are deeper, and highlights are balanced, even in challenging lighting environments. For photography, the Pocket 4 delivers 20-megapixel stills that are crisp, detailed, and sharp. It's more than enough for thumbnails, Instagram posts, and even light professional use. But where the Osmo Pocket 4 really shines is in low-light environments. DJI has integrated an enhanced night mode with a new low-light algorithm, significantly improving noise reduction, detail retention, and dynamic range. Whether you're shooting city streets at night or capturing sunset scenes, your footage looks cleaner and more cinematic. In terms of endurance, the Osmo Pocket 4 doesn't disappoint. With an optimized battery that delivers up to 140 minutes of continuous shooting, even while recording in 4K at 60 FPS, You'll get plenty of runtime for a day's worth of content creation. What's more, fast charging support reduces downtime dramatically. In just under an hour, you can recharge the camera to near full capacity. Whether you're out on a day trip or filming a multi-part vlog series, you can keep going without worrying about battery anxiety. This upgrade makes the Pocket 4 an even more attractive choice for travel vloggers, influencers, urban explorers, and YouTubers who need reliable performance during extended shoots. One area that often gets overlooked is audio, but DJI has stepped it up here as well. The Osmo Pocket 4 comes with enhanced onboard microphones that provide clearer stereo audio and better directional pickup than previous models. The result is vlog-ready sound right out of the camera. For those who demand higher quality audio, the camera is also compatible with DJI's wireless mic system, allowing you to record crystal-clear dialogue without needing third-party gear. This combination makes the Pocket 4 a powerful tool for solo creators. Beyond the hardware, the Pocket 4 is packed with intelligent features powered by DJI's refined software. You'll get Active Track 6.0 for automatic face and object tracking, dynamic framing for auto-adjusted compositions, horizon steady to keep your footage level during movement, hyperlapse and motion lapse modes for creative transitions, live streaming capability. Straight from the Mimo app, the USB-C port, wireless module, and microSD slot ensure you can quickly offload footage and charge on the go. Everything about this device screams versatility. The DJI Osmo Pocket 4 was officially unveiled on March 15th, with global availability beginning January 25th, 2026. DJI opened pre-orders the same day of announcement, and interest has been incredibly high, with launch bundles offering accessories like mini tripods, carrying cases, and ND filters. Pricing is premium, but the value is clear. When compared to higher-end smartphone rigs, action cameras, and mirrorless setups, the Osmo Pocket 4 offers a compelling all-in-one solution for mobile creators. If you're looking to upgrade your vlogging setup, or even replace your travel camera, this compact beast might just be the answer. Final verdict: is it worth it? The DJI Osmo Pocket 4 represents a bold leap forward in compact filmmaking gear. With a larger sensor, better low-light performance, improved stabilization, smart AI features, and top-tier video resolution, it's far more than just an iterative upgrade.